In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a field from a Jira issue. If you've ever found yourself getting overwhelmed by too many custom fields in Jira, or you've spotted a field that's no longer relevant to your project needs, this guide will help. The process is straightforward, let me guide you through it. First, you'll need to access Jira's settings. Typically, you'll find this in the top right corner of your screen. It usually appears as a small gear icon. Once you've spotted the settings icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu, and from there you'd want to navigate to the section labeled Issues. This is where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your Jira environment, including the fields. Now, within the Issues section, you'll come across a part dedicated to fields. Go ahead and select Custom Fields. This is where all custom fields that have been created in your Jira instance are listed. To manage these effectively, Jira gives you a complete list view. As you work with different project types, keeping this list organized is vital. Next up is finding the specific field you want to remove, which, as you might imagine, can get a bit tricky if there are many fields. But don't worry, Jira offers a handy search bar at the top of the custom fields page. This tool allows you to quickly hone in on the field you are looking to remove. Simply type the field's name into the search bar and Jira will filter the list for you. It's a real time saver. Once you've located the field that you intend to delete, you'll notice there are three small horizontal dots to the right of the field's name. Go ahead and click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you want to select Move to Trash. It's a simple action, but be sure you're deleting the correct field. Once a field is moved to trash, it's essentially taken out of active use, though typically you might have a short period where it can be restored if needed. And there you have it. With those easy steps, you can declutter your Jira issues and keep things organized. After removing unnecessary fields, you'll likely find it easier to navigate and use Jira effectively. Always remember to review the list of fields periodically as your projects evolve over time. Keeping your fields up to date with your project's current requirements ensures you and your team can work as efficiently as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher on managing fields in Jira. Stay organized and keep your workspaces efficient.